Hello guys, it's Animuffins101 here, and I am back with another episode of my modded series. I think this will be number 5 if I am not mistaken, but I got all this stuff. Let's go set up a quarry. So yeah, this episode, hopefully I'll set up a quarry and get some Tinker's stuff done, like some Tinker's, you know what I mean, Tinker's thing. Oh, these guys, let's go. Kill him. Nice. Okay, I think we'll set up the quarry right about here. Seems to be like a cave down there. The reason I don't have KO going after creepers is because if he does, and it's right near my base, yeah, that's not good. Yeah, let's not go over there. KO, okay. Doesn't really matter if he dies. Okay. We will set it up right here. See how it makes that? That means it will take out all this land here. So 1, 2, and 3, and then I'll place. There we go. And then the final one, boom. Now let's, I guess we'll just turn this all into that. Oh. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I didn't make a chest. Uh-oh. So they are flying everywhere. Get in there. Wait. Shouldn't all the blocks go in here? Yeah, okay. So we will make a double chest like so. Okay, I'll take this crafting table back with me. So yeah, the quarry operates pretty fast with 3 Stirling engines. Uses up a little bit of wood, but that's okay. And yeah, so I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I am back and I've decided let's do some Tinker stuff. So I made some stencils. I'm just getting some wood for stencil table, I think it's called. Stencil table, which is okay, I have that. No. There's stencil table. What else do I need? Let's go Tinkers. No, like at Tinkers. Let's see these stencils. Really should have done this off camera. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out and I'll be right back. Wait. Tool station? Yeah, that's what I need. I'll just use this one. I'll do that. Perfect. Okay, I guess we can. I'll see what I need. So wait, let's just check how the quarry is doing really quick. It's right over there. I think like over here will be my mining area, like over here. So yeah. Wow, it's gotten pretty deep. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's on its 5th depth thing. Wow, how much wood? Good job, KO. See, KO isn't the brightest. Let's use half. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough to make it all the way down. If not, I'll just refuel it anyway. But got some dark oak wood that I need to turn into planks. Okay, so we will go down here to out. I set my mic. Go down here to just get some tools and stuff. Wait, I need some aluminum and bronze. I guess I'll take a block of each. Just do this. I need to put them both in to get some aluminum bronze for casts. To make like, what are they, these casts? Because, so what you do is you put that there. Wait, which one opens up the chest back there? I think it might be this. What? Okay, whatever, I'll just put one there. So this is, you put thing in here, and then I select one, and it gives me a pattern for it. Let me just grab this chest. This is called the pattern chest, so it's where you put all like the patterns that I create. So first off, I want an axe head. Like I want axe. Wait, maybe. So obviously, first thing, tool rod is a given. You're gonna need bindings, and you're gonna need tough rods. Okay, we'll make a pickaxe head, an axe, that, what is that? Sword blade, knife blade. What is this? A broad axe head. No. Excavator, there we go. Okay, so we got these patterns. So, see, I can't put anything else except these patterns in it. So if I take one of these, and oh wait, I don't have that table. What's it called? Oh, these are part builders. Oh, dang it, I need one log or something. Do I have one oak log? One log? Dang it. Let's just go up here and we will break that. Let's just put that back. Sure we can, yeah. We'll just take a log from here for now. Whoops. Let's see how, did it make aluminum bronze? Aluminum brass, please? What? No. Mix. I have an idea. What? Had some aluminum. Now, let me just try one thing. I think it's because they smelted like at the same time. Like, I think, If not, then I'm gonna have to go on a gold hunt and then we can't make anything. So basically, yeah. Let's just, I just lost what I was doing. What was that? Doop. There we go. Put that there. Part builder should be, yeah. So then you do that, and then, well, I think if I'm not mistaken, if I grab a piece of stone and then I do this, boom. Perfect. So what am I going to make first? How about, wait, let's just grab, oh, everything stays inside that, so it's like mobile. Oh, oh yeah, that village had a bunch of patterns in it. I need a chest to put this in. Oh, I didn't remember doing that. These are all these smelting books. Like, I got 2 things for tinkering, which I will use later, but I know somewhat about the Tinker's Construct mod. Yeah, that didn't work, so let's just get it out of here. No, stop. Don't worry, I know how to do this. Take this, and then you grab this, and then you dig these in the floor, and then you do this. Right, you shift on that, you bring that here, you put that there, and then boom. And then yeah, this is all you do. So, yeah, let me just get this out. Blah, 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 blah. Let me put the cast there, and then you do this, and then you do that. Okay. And yeah, so I think after I get this out, yeah, if I'm not stupid. We'll put, no, that like that, we'll take that. And we will do, and we'll be back, I'll be back in 1 sec, guys. Guys, sorry about that. So, let's just, one there, I'll just off exactly. So, what are we gonna make? I want to make a hammer. Hammer. Yeah, we'll make a stone hammer. So, wait. Yeah, look, right here. Oh, no, this is... How do I make a tool forge? That's what I need. Tool forge. Whoa! Whoa, that's expensive. Very expensive. Holy. Yeah, okay, so 4 of those and 3 of those make ding, 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 ding. Boom, a tool forge. Okay. So that now I have all these out. What is this? Oh, those are cool. I should make some of those later. But right now, what I want is a hammer. So I need 2 of those, that, and I don't know what that is. Ingots. Excuse me. It's a tool rod. See, this is connects. So I'm gonna need 1 of these. How much material does it take to make one? 8. Okay. What? Why doesn't it work? Oh, I can only put an 8. Okay. So then I need the creeper head. How much does that take? 8. 8. I'm guessing KO died because that spider's still in my ear. Gonna need a tool rod, I think. Oh, hopefully. No, I don't need a stone shard. Stone shards are useless. No. Go over there. Okay, let's see. Can I make it now? Oh, I hear slime. I'm confused. Oh, it's a tough rod. Well, trial and error. Okay, let's, yeah, what? Wait. Yeah, there we go. Oh, hammer, pro tinkerer. I got tinkerer and pro tinkerer. I guess I'll just put it here now. Oh, this chest is for my ores if you're wondering if I ever get like ores that I don't want right now. That I like, if I just get ores and I don't have time to smelt it, I can put them. Nicely done. Good job. Okay, how long has this been going on for? Okay, I think the last thing we will try to make. I wonder. Kind of need some cobalt for like good like ores, you know. So I'm gonna make a diamond pickaxe, and I think this episode's gonna be shorter than usual. But I think I'm gonna remember that I put in there. I think that I'm going to end it here. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. It's gonna be a shorter episode. Before I end it, let's go and check. Take him out, KO. Oh, fight. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, string. Bow, okay. I think I'm just gonna end it here, and then next episode I will try to get another portal. Did it stop? Yeah, I ran out. Oh, no. Well, I'm stuck in here. Oh. What's Kale dying to? This thing. Got it, KO, don't worry. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here, guys. I have 27 levels. Ooh, an enchantment table would be nice, but no, we can add enchantments on our, like, tinker's tool, which are better, so. Yeah, it's gonna be a shorter episode, but I need a video for today, so I wanna render all this in HD, not render, you know, Ep.5, just upload it today. So, wait, before we go, let's make a bow, yay! This is how I organize my video. Got all these stone. Arrows, 13. Oh, Kale, can you? Kale, one thing, please stop getting beat. Why is it on fire? What did happen? Oh, 3 creepers as well. Okay. Well, are those emerald tipped arrows? Why can't I get those from him? Oh, thanks for the bow. I needed it. KO, move! Beautiful. Okay. My forest is on fire. This isn't good, guys. Not good at all. Anyway, guys, this is going to be it for now. I'll see you in the next episode. Look at my face. And goodbye.